Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can make a factory data reset with the Oppo A72. So this works, by the way, also for the A32, A52 and A92. So first of all, let me tell you, if you want to reset the phone, you have to remove the Google account first, because you can locate your phone and so on, so you still have access on your phone, and the other person who have bought it or who have received it will have problems to work with the phone. So let me show you how you can remove the Google account. So just scroll down here and go to the symbol for the settings. Then you have to scroll down to one of the last points, users and accounts. No? So it's one of the last here. And then go here on the Google account of you. So, and then we will need the 2 points here. Tap it. And now you have the opportunity to remove the account. So go and remove account, and then the Google account has been removed from your phone. Okay. No, it's not there anymore. Yeah, in case you just want to reset it, this phone just by your own, you don't need that, of course. But in our case, we need that. Okay. Now, off the phone. So hold the power button off the phone. I think you know this. Okay. Yeah, then wait for a moment until it's completely off. So now we need the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons for the same time and hold it and hold it and hold it. And now, if you see the Oppo symbol, leave your fingers from the phone, and we should enter a special menu for resetting our smartphone. Yes. So choose the language you want to have. I think we will continue in English. Tap it. So, and then we need the point, wipe data. In case your screen is not working anymore, you can also use the buttons, by the way. You can use the volume down button to go down and the volume up button to go up. And to confirm, you use just the power button. So go now wipe data. So, then, to be sure to not go there like it's in my pocket and I tap it, you know, I have to confirm with a code. Our secret verification code will be now 3002. I don't know if you have the same one, but I will enter it. And now we can wipe data or format the data. So now then just go and format data, because format it's a complete reset. And then wait a bit. It goes pretty fast, by the way. So wiped has been successfully. Just go here on OK. So, and now we will need a reboot. And the phone is doing the reboot by its own, and that would take a while. So don't worry, absolutely normal. And then you just have to enter the Google account again in case you want to keep your phone. Yeah, you just did a hard reset for your own, or you can resell it just like that to someone, or give it like that to someone, and he can enter his own Google account and so on. Yeah, I hope it could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some that would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for really nice. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe you can also subscribe me. And yeah, maybe we see us again, and would be really a pleasure, of course. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao. And don't worry, it takes a bit time.